Hello, welcome. It's so nice to see you. I'm in my kitchen today. We're at Miss Lauritsen's home, and I am going to make myself some scrambled eggs. And you can learn the steps too. So hang out with me. I'm going to set my computer down, and you should be able to see everything I need you to see. I'll change it if I have to. All right. So to make scrambled eggs, I need my pan. And I need a fork. And what else would I need? I would need the eggs. I only have 2 in here. I'm going to need more. These eggs. Got eggs, and I use butter, and I use milk. Here's a stick of butter that's already cut. Butter and milk. And I think I'll need a bowl. All right. So I have my bowl, my fork, my pan set on the stove. I have my butter. I need a cutting board, something to keep my food safe. It's going to go right here. And I'm going to cut some butter off. Put it in my pan. Turn on the stove. And when I'm ready, hold on. First, let's get this bowl. I gotta crack my eggs. And I don't want to put the shell in. I just want the egg inside. So watch me crack, crack. See, it's broken. And I'm gonna carefully open it. Did you see my egg drop? There it is. I'm gonna throw it away and get 2 more eggs. Egg, crack, and open. All right, put it in the trash. 1 more, get my egg, crack, whoop, got it, garbage. I need to wash my hands. The eggs got on them. So I'm going to do that real quick. Where's my glass? Hey. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Get them nice and clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Now they're all clean. Look at Sophie. All right. Get a paper towel. Returning to my eggs. I have the eggs in there. And I need a little bit of milk I put in. And put my milk back in the fridge to keep it cold. And I'm going behind the camera because I'm getting my salt and pepper. Has a little octopus holder. Salt is white, pepper is that gray color. And I'm going to put some of that in my bowl right now. I like some salt and pepper. Gives some flavor. Now, I just need to mix these up, which I do with a fork. Actually, probably. Let's see. How good of a view can I give you? Breaking up the yellow and the clear part. I scramble the eggs up. Mix, mix, mix. I turn the fork. I mix really well. Woo! That looks pretty mixed. Good enough for me. I'm going to come over here. You have to be very careful my stove makes fire. So I'm going to turn it on. This knob right here. And I turn it on, I light it, and then the flame will go down. So I'm gonna set my camera down. I don't want to be unsafe. Turn it on. Ready? Do you see that fire? Yeah, that's as close as I'm gonna get. I don't get any closer than this because that is hot. That would burn. I put my pan on top and my butter's in the pan, and I just watch the butter. I see if the butter melts. When it starts melting, I know I can put my eggs in. Oh, look. The butter is melting. It's sliding around. I realized the last thing I need is I need something to move the eggs with. So I use either, we're just waiting for that butter to get a little warmer. I'm using either like a rubber scraper type spatula. I have a big one, and I have a little one. Or I use like a flat spatula. I'll use this one today. Maybe I'll use one. That'd be cool. All right. So my butter is very melted. And all I gotta do is dump my eggs in. That warm fire is gonna cook my eggs up for me. And all I need to do is just move them around a little bit as we go. So my heat's cooking. Up close and personal to be making the eggs. Here we go. You see, when I move it, there's some parts getting harder. It's tricky to see. I just have to wait a couple minutes. I'm going to put my eggs back in the fridge. I don't want these eggs to get warm. They need to stay cold if I'm not cooking them. And you can see some smoke. I don't know if you can see it on the camera as well, but I see it smoking. My eggs are getting thicker. Look, there's a nice piece floating right there. It's almost cooked. Getting nice and firm. I don't want to drink eggs. I want to take a bite. I want to bite it. I don't want to drink it. I'm going to get another fork out. I'm going to need to eat with a clean fork. The fork I use to stir the eggs is dirty. Let me mix them again. Here we go. I see them getting, look at that, some chunks in there. Means they're getting nice and hot. While those are cooking, I'm just going to go over here to my cabinets and get something to eat them out of. I could use a bowl or I could use a plate. Could I use a cup? No, not to eat eggs. I'm going to pick one of these. I'll pick this bowl. It's just going to be some eggs. Coming back to the eggs, they're getting very hot. They're almost done. Oh yes, the bottom is all cooked. Wow. I like to eat eggs by themselves, or I like to eat eggs with noodles or rice. I like to use eggs to bake cakes or cookies. Eggs are very important. Sometimes people have allergies to eggs and they can't eat them. I'm lucky. I'm happy that I don't have an allergy. While they're almost done, you see they're getting that nice scrambled egg shape. I'm going to get my salt and pepper again. My salt, that's white salt. Put some salt back in them, a little more pepper. Get that little black colors. Oh, listen to them go. They look nice and soft. They're not very wet looking anymore. So I am going to put this in the sink, this in the sink, dirty, dirty, done. I just need to turn off my stovetop. You see the fire went out. It's off. And they're done. I'm about to go eat some eggs for breakfast, maybe with some toast. We've made toast in the class before. I don't need to show you that. And that's it. I just got to serve it up. Move my fork. Put some in my bowl. Save those in the pan. See if I want them. And that's it. They're hot, but they're delicious. That's how I make some simple scrambled eggs. Thanks for watching. I miss cooking with you. Goodbye.